In the PEZ collecting community, there are all kinds of great artists. Here, I would like to tell you about good old press release Penny Wrestler. She will break for PEZ and ducks and maybe chickens. Out of Virginia, she's a great artist, and she has made me something. I can't wait to share it with you. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, this is amazing. So this is a painting technique, I think that's referred to as antiquing. And I'm not sure exactly how the antiquing process is done, but I know Penny does a wonderful job at it. Look at that. That's a little pig. Amazing. And thanks to Penny, I get to make a video not only of her artwork, but I get to let you know that March 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, 2020 in Cincinnati, Ohio is ThePIGToo, a variation of the unconventional convention, and we hope to see you there. This pig will be there. Oh, that's fun. Thank you, Penny. I greatly appreciate that. So until next time.